Welcome to episode 6.
7.
Hello. Welcome to episode 7 of episode. Okay, one more time.
नहीं I've not had any of the Cadbury stuff. अरे रे इसकी जगह
बीच के लिए सही है भाई वो मतलब वो पैसे दे तो रहा है तेरे को और उसका घर
हाँ,
साफ कर
मैं
रहा
घर साफ
है He's like भाई लिख दे तू राइटर है नहीं
मैं तो चुरा लेता
They were selling a smart water bottle.
तू रोज सुबह बुट्टा
अबे रोज सुबह थोड़ी यूज करता है तू वो स्टूडेंट साले तू बोला नहीं यूज करता मैं कुछ बोला देखो नहीं यार
You've been using this as a base for something. Just look at it. Sometimes they sleep in the afternoon when the watch is charging. हम लोग waste हो गया ये हो नहीं रहा है यार ट्रैक मैं सो क्यों रहा था बंद करो कैमरा बैक अप
Hello, welcome to episode 7 of Spender Bender. My name is Govind Menon. बोलना नाम
I thought you were going to do the whole thing then.
नाम बोल
Okay, my name is Oshang. We have our producer Antariksh here.
hello
Yeah, and
And-
today we have a guest with us. We have Siddharth Dudeja. You might have seen him in the cold open and on the thumbnail that we're going to put
His name
for
and the
this
title,
episode.
all of that.
Yes, all of that. You might have seen in the welcome
Welcome,
Siddharth
वेलकम
Dudeja.
गाइस अच्छा लगा ये जो भी तुम लोग ने अभी कोशिश करी आपस में
ये
To
इसकी
figure
बात
this
करने
out.
की जरूरत नहीं है
हम 10 episodes से try कर रहे हैं to get it right.
क्या बात कर रहे हो
अब तक हर बार एपिसोड नंबर गलत बोले हम लोग ये एपिसोड शूट कर रहे हैं
और ये कि मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ तू ये बोल रहा है
वेरी सिंक्रोनाइज्ड
बड़ा ही पॉडकास्ट प्रॉब्लम्स
the only thing we've kind of figured out is the locations.
Yeah. Location, we are killing it.
ये असली स्पेंडर बेंडर भाई कितने पैसे लगा दिए तुमने
अबे, we never
ये घर खरीद
mentioned-
लिया
we
तुमने,
never
guys?
mentioned-
They don't know where
We
we are.
never mentioned क्या
They
है
have no
क्यों है
clue.
टेरेस nothing.
गाइस ये इनका घर इन्होंने खरीद लिया है जस्ट फॉर स्पेंडर बेंडर
हर एक
जो भी
एपिसोड
कैमरा
के
में बोल रहे
लिए
हैं
जहाँ भी शूट होता है हम खरीद लेते हैं
इन लोगों ने 16 करोड़ इन्वेस्ट किए हैं
हाँ गाइस तो
और more.
1000 से ऊपर व्यूज दे देना please. बस वही बोल रहे
ओए पर व्यूअर कॉस्ट इज इन लैक्स एट दिस पॉइंट
हाँ प्लीज थोड़ा 1000 से ऊपर कर दो बट वेलकम टू द पॉडकास्ट ठीक है भाई ask this to everyone how is your relationship with money nowadays since forever yesterday
Did
whatever
it
you want
change
to
at
say
any point in your life?
It
or
has
was
changed.
always bad.
नो इट वाज बैड फर्स्ट इट चेंज्ड लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स
Okay.
बिकॉज़
Changed
ऑफ
in a good
कोर्स
way?
हाँ
Changed in a good way?
in a good way yeah that's what I would like to believe it's good I'll only know at the end of maybe 20 years
Okay.
बट हाँ अच्छा तो हो गया पहले मतलब बहुत ही अलग फंडे होते थे फिर एक तो लॉकडाउन हो गया ना तो उसमें बहुत सारा फाइनेंशियल ज्ञान जिन्होंने पेला वो सब फॉलो किया अभी वो अलग बात है दूसरा पागलपन भी बात करते वो लोग बट ओवरऑल साइकोलॉजी ऑफ मनी पढ़ लो ना हाँ पढ़ लिया मैंने हाँ like वो
तो ये सब
काफी
कर रहा था क्या
अरे
pandemic
हाँ मतलब ऐसे यहाँ
Like you were worried about how to manage your money. in the
manage
lockdown.
money not make
Not
no I had to make money I had no money
Oh, you were
But,
planning for the future.
yeah of course I'm
Okay.
like of course बाद में तो
Then I
आने
get it.
yeah that is my relation with money I'm like I owe you
but do you have a
Like, I don't-
spending problem or do you because I know you spend on he has that fan handheld fan
I have it here only somewhere
You,
Yeah.
so
यहाँ पे
I-
अरे यहाँ पे
see I have the same I also bought the same
I
one
know.
because
I
saw
looked at him and I got it.
yeah
We went to the concert and I saw you use the fan and we were
Ah.
like 5-6 of us and all of us had that look in our faces. We were like, look, it's Dudeja with the stupid fan. Even I had
Ah.
that. And then 10 minutes into the concert, everybody was hovering around him like he's a drug
The
dealer.
best part
okay?
is-
I should that's my deal like see my relation with money is so good I start charging people for it I'm like 20 रुपया निकाल 2 मिनट
Dude,
का
everyone else in that concert was wearing shades.
Yeah.
They were drunk or on drugs, whatever. They were dancing. Just Dudeja there, fucking
And
not
everybody
one
wanted
sweat.
a piece of this. Everyone went
It
to
was
Dudeja
great.
like,
yeah.
we can have it for
show me
5
yours
minutes.
I've not seen yours
So
actually
this is also a portable charger.
Yeah, but
nice.
this is a little like it seems like a little flimsy.
this one the thing is mine has those 3 modes basically तो if you want but हाँ but ये भी अच्छा है ये बहुत portable है
Yeah.
ज़्यादा
This is very portable. Also portable charger.
oh nice
You
Portable?
can charge your phone with it.
What? Oh.
Yeah. See, there are
Oh,
two
that
ports.
part I didn't know.
would you charge your phone with your
With
portable
this.
like
With your fan.
dude that's crazy
Dude, that's actually great, huh? You're using your phone also, no sweat.
Yeah,
No,
and dude, if your phone starts to overheat, you use the fan.
It says.
can
when
you charge the fan with the phone
Can
Oh,
I charge?
ulta,
ulta.
Oh, I
Yeah.
think with Android's phone you can.
Yeah?
I don't think Apple allows reverse charging.
Also,
Oh, I would totally do that because technically the battery of a phone is bigger than I'm sure, right?
Yeah, 100%.
Ah,
Like,
ah,
for
yeah.
I mean,
sure.
nobody's
Or
expecting to
something.
charge your phone fully from your fan. It's emergency, bro.
Of course.
Nobody's expecting to charge
Yeah.
your phone with a fan in the first place.
I know that, but
Nobody
but
expects
but the
that.
opposite is the actual. If it was charging your fan with your phone,
Ha,
I
and you
would
can put
totally
the
like it was a
battery in your
no-brainer.
fan.
Yeah,
Correct, correct.
like
correct,
that is
correct.
what
I
they.
would do that.
What
So
is this
now-
company?
So I think I'll buy a phone now which can charge my fan.
Or tell this fucking company. What is this company? Oh, sorry.
It's some Chinese
Some
product, I'm
It's
guessing.
called Gaia Top.
Yeah, it's the dumbest thing product
I
ever.
know.
I feel
Yeah, the
at this
portable
point,
fan.
the portable fan which charges
With
your
charging,
phone.
yeah,
like
yeah.
it's the dumbest thing
Yeah,
I've
yeah,
heard.
yeah.
But whereas the opposite
But
is
you
the
don't know when
most
you're gonna
genius.
need them.
Like
You don't know when you're gonna need it.
yeah,
Dude,
fair.
With these multi-purpose products,
Yeah.
that these Chinese ones make,
Yeah.
the second purpose is always shit only. It doesn't work
Absolutely.
properly.
Yeah, it's just in that moment
Yeah.
you are like at 2 in the night. You're like ordering this. Yeah, but fan is. I don't think it's a.
Thank you. But I never took it to any of the concert after that because I keep forgetting.
Oh, this is in my bag everywhere. Like this, I'm not carrying it because I'm here on this. I carry it in
you just
general.
carry it all over.
Yeah, I don't think it's a. I think it's a must. It's the
It
product
is.
of the future where everyone is going to carry
Future
their
इंश्योर
own.
के लिए present ही है भाई.
Look at the climate change, man. It's real. It's a product of the.
Solving climate change.
But
For my face, like for like
the
10
climate's changing for your face.
Yeah.
That's- But dude, I keep forgetting to charge it यार. ये बहुत मेहनत है. कितने चीजें charge करूँ यार? अब
सब
fan
कुछ
भी
करना
charge
This
करना.
is why you need a phone which can charge your fan. It was onto
That's what I'm
something.
trying to tell
Yeah.
you. You're talking to a utility problem, which I'm like, you're talking to a consumer.
I have
Government
it.
in-
Now it's just somewhere in my other bag.
I
have
charge
the same-
everything, and I know it's a lot to charge. I
It's a
also
lot
have
to
a
charge.
water floss which I have to charge.
What's the water floss?
A water floss.
Apparent flossing बोलते हैं ना जिसको
हाँ, हाँ,
मैंने
हाँ,
आज तक किया नहीं था लाइफ में
हाँ,
बट
मैंने
आई
भी
गॉट
किया अभी तक, I think.
आज तक
हाँ.
बट मेरा मेजर डेंटल इश्यूज हुआ बीच में
हाँ.
तो आई हैड टू फिक्स दोस सो आई स्टार्टेड
Okay.
फिक्सिंग एंड देन डॉक्टर सेड फ्लॉस मैं बोला भाई मेरे से होता ही नहीं है मैंने एक बार कोशिश किया मेरे को पता भी नहीं क्यों करते और ये
Floss
क्या
with that
दो
wire, right?
धागा
Yeah,
लेके
yeah,
हाँ
that wire, that
तो उसने
wire.
बोला वो टेक्नोलॉजी खत्म
Oh.
अब वाटर फ्लॉस आया है एक
Oh,
मशीन
jet
आती
spray
है वो
जैसा।
जेट स्प्रे जैसा तुम्हारे दांत के बीच में बस मारते रहो और तुम्हारे दांत क्लीन मैं दिन में 2 बार करता हूँ
Is
लाइक
it that fun?
इट्स द बेस्ट थिंग लाइक तुझे लगेगा तेरा एकदम नया तेरे को जबड़ा मिल गया है लाइक
God,
तेरे
what
टेस्ट
are you
हाँ
talking
मतलब
about?
ये दिस इज अनदर
कितना 15-20 हजार 30
नहीं
हजार
नहीं 2000
What?
हाँ yeah it's great dude it's great
But does it charge your phone?
no yeah
The
they
water
should
force charges the phone.
yeah the water
You can bet
flow
your phone,
yeah.
Clean energy, that's the future. Renewable.
I thought we had gotten to was electric toothbrushes. There's water.
Yeah, so the same electric toothbrush companies because they realize what kind of a fail fucking product that is have gotten into
I will keep defending electric toothbrushes.
तेरे पास है
नहीं मेरे पास है and also I explained in the last podcast why I have
बता,
it क्योंकि
बता.
मैं चबाता था मेरा टूथब्रश
हाँ.
while brushing.
Oh man.
मेरे को चबाने में बहुत मजा आता था तो मेरा
अभी भी?
खर्चा नहीं अब तो इलेक्ट्रिक है.
दातुन क्या होता था?
नहीं क्या है?
एक वो
दातुन
stick-
वही होता था स्टिक जो
अच्छा
तुम-
वो जो यूज
stick,
करते थे
हाँ,
पहले
चबा
हाँ,
चबा के ही तेरे
चबा
दांत
के।
I think dude मैं 200-300 साल पहले रहता ना if I was alive then क्या मजा आता मेरे को.
नहीं अभी भी कर सकता है बट
बट तब तो
बॉम्बे बॉम्बे से निकलना पड़ेगा
लोग अजीब सा देखेंगे तेरे को थोड़ा सा but you can still do
अभी
it.
भी कर सकता
नहीं
है
बट it was fun. मैं सुबह आधे नींद में
ओन
उठ
अप
के
टू
बस
व्हाटएवर
चबाता
इट इज
था.
मैन मैं भी पान खाता हूँ कर ले यार
Now let's get down to our products.
Yes.
Oh, fuck.
Today
First
you
segment.
Shit.
yeah first segment transition.
Transition.
Okay, chalo. You wanna get your product first?
So it's like, even I didn't realize that this is a thing. Like, this is not normal.
Yeah.
Because I thought everybody does this. So one, I have these like Welly restful sleep.
Oh, melatonin.
It's a mix of melatonin and this L-theanine and
And what is
chamomile,
L-theanine?
chamomile, and like some 4-5 things.
Wait, I need to show it to
Sure.
the camera.
What does it say? Can
Okay.
you read it?
Belly
Restful
restful
sleep.
sleep
Yeah.
gummy pops.
Gummy pops. Open and see the
Okay,
gummies.
okay.
Join the dream team. वो लिखा हुआ है.
You all want to try one?
Good.
Sleep. The segment 3 is
The sad part is I read this shit and I'm totally sold. Like,
Dude,
what Govind is
completely.
making fun of is
no,
like,
dude, I'm not making
Yeah,
fun
yeah,
of it.
yeah.
I'll
No, you
also
should
buy
make
it.
fun of it.
No, I'll buy it.
Yeah,
if
yeah,
I see
right.
it, I'll buy it.
Open it and see
To
it.
be very honest, yesterday I couldn't sleep at 4:30 in the morning. I went on Swiggy Instamart. I saw this.
You saw this, right?
I saw this. I saw the other one because I couldn't sleep, so I was like, I'm just gonna order some melatonin.
मैंने
and-
तेरे को ये दिया भी हुआ है मेरे
Oh,
घर से
हाँ, तूने दिया
एक
ये
बार
मेरे को.
हाँ.
I haven't seen the dabba ab
हाँ,
tak.
show the
Dude, it's a
डब्बा.
nice box.
Nicely packed and there are like single
Yeah, there are single like it's like
It's like a toffee.
Yeah, it's like
Gummies.
gummies.
Oh, it's
the
like
gummy.
Yeah.
Yeah, have no take one or both.
अरे no we'll
अबे ले
sleep.
लो ना बाद में ट्राई कर.
अच्छा बाद में के लिए अभी
अभी थोड़ी बोल रहा हूँ मतलब ले लो मतलब.
अरे sorry
तूने लिया
So I have melatonin, but
Today.
not this one. I have Himalaya का कोई.
हिमालय का.
But those are also gummies, blueberry, raspberry,
हाँ.
cranberry mix और
हाँ.
साथ में melatonin. But what are the other two?
But
things?
हिमालय से ज्यादा ये पैकेजिंग और
Yeah,
ये
yeah.
ब्रांडिंग. I
Dude,
fall for branding completely.
Immediately I'll buy this. if I
And
see it on
and
the
and
shelf.
it's not at wellness and
Yeah.
it's expensive.
How much is
I
this?
love that. Like I am the main for that shit. Like I'm like भाई महंगा है तो लूंगा मैं.
How much,
सस्ता
how
मत
much?
बोलना. 800-900 का पूरा पैकेट है.
कितने
I-
आते हैं इसमें?
अबे तो मैंने 20-30 रुपए का लिया है ये क्या है? Fuck.
इसलिए मैंने नहीं लिया ना वो.
मैं तो 2 लेने वाला था.
अच्छा.
Good thing I kept
अरे
one
ले ले
back.
यार दो.
How-
नहीं,
how
नहीं.
effective-
$700. 700.
How effective is this?
No, it's
melatonin
effective.
is
I don't know
very
about
effective.
this,
Yeah,
but
it is very
melatonin
effective.
is very effective.
हाँ.
Like throughout for 2 hours, I'd be like, "अबे नींद नहीं आ रही." Then you get annoyed after a point when you can't sleep, where you're like, "Why the fuck can't I sleep?" Right? But take melatonin. Next day I wake up, I'm like, "What the fuck?"
Do you know what melatonin is?
It's what you get hair from.
No, basically melatonin.
I don't know. Melatonin? I don't know.
That's
I don't-
melanin.
He
no?
said
Yeah.
You get hair from melatonin. 1 second, let me wipe my.
But dude, this packaging is beautiful.
love
It is
the
So
beautiful.
melatonin is basically one chemical in your body, which is the sleep chemical. Basically, your body produces melatonin at a certain point at night, which is when you feel sleepy.
Okay, got it.
So you know when you feel like sleepy at night and then you don't sleep and then you're awake for a few hours, that's because your body had produced melatonin then, being like, go to sleep. You didn't. So now it's over. So now you prolong it. Then you have to wait till the second time it will produce melatonin. And it gets warped because of our sleep schedules, our lifestyles and everything. And that's why melatonin is the most like urban product, highest selling urban product at least.
Right now?
Yeah.
Wow, man.
I mean, it is one of the most like everybody takes
yeah,
melatonin.
I'm on
right? Like,
melatonin.
ये speed up कर लेंगे तूने जो
अच्छा, हाँ, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
What a great explanation.
Yeah.
It was a fucking great
Yeah,
explanation.
I couldn't have imagined an easier way to understand.
Yeah,
Oh.
you went in serious mode on
This guy's done his research and all. Yeah.
हाँ मतलब वही है basically.
You didn't
melatonin.
even. There wasn't a also in the middle. Nothing.
Let me rephrase that.
Shout out to Dr. Huberman Labs. Shout out to Huberman Labs, who has 6 girlfriends. He's killing it like he's like what is that word? वो
Alpha male.
efficiency
Oh,
में
okay.
वो cheating करने में भी efficient है यार Huberman. तुमने देखा उसका story पढ़ा? अरे
I know
But he
what
looks
you're talking
efficient.
about.
उसके साथ
सात
वो
girlfriend,
7
छह
time कर रहा
girlfriend,
था वो.
And they all didn't know. Like,
No,
not-
then they made a group together and now they bitch about Huberman. And like I'm like, or
You should start a podcast.
they should, and they have written an article, the longest article but the most brilliant article I've read, because
7 लड़कियों का perspective है.
हाँ, because जब वो समझा रहे हैं कि इसने ऐसे चीट किया हमारे पे, ऐसे 2 time कर रहा था, फिर पता चला, तो लाइक भाई ये आदमी कितना efficient है.
But dude,
क्योंकि
You have
ये
to
करने
be,
के
time
लिए,
management has to be proper
yeah,
for 7
so
people.
this guy's not bullshitting.
How amazing this movie will be if the girls make it, because there are 7 perspectives
Yeah.
of one guy cheating.
like
Rashomon, modern Rashomon with dating apps.
It's like Salame Ishq, but with the same guy and 7 couples. उसमें 6 couples वाला रहता है. है ना अंतरिक्ष? I got filmy that filmy game.
That
podcast.
filmy. We went from Rashomon to
Salame
Salame.
and that filmy game.
But
Ben and Jerry's ice cream.
Antariksh, what do you do when you can't sleep? If you didn't know
Oh, you
what
just accept.
melatonin.
I feel I'm always sleepy.
Oh,
So
yeah.
I've never had that
Yeah,
problem
yeah,
of
yeah.
not
Okay.
being
Oh, that's
Yeah,
great.
yeah.
I'll
That
tell
is
you,
always
you guys
sleepy.
need help because all my products are that.
Dude,
But one more
help
tip.
You sleep.
Everything's about sleep or
No
waking
way.
up. Yeah.
Or waking up.
I'm excited.
kind of like but 541 hertz sleep frequency at night, it runs for 8 hours. Just put that on. I like that frequency.
You
But
know
can,
too much about sleeping.
Sleeping.
by the
yeah,
way.
you can put parasympathetic nervous system reset
the
sleep.
fuck?
What
You
is
can
all this?
put
We
cough.
can't speed up all of this, dude.
What?
We have to.
What is this? It's like a track you can play?
On YouTube.
On
Yeah,
YouTube,
there are
there certain
multiple.
frequencies which help you.
Yeah,
with
frequencies
different
that
things.
help you sleep.
Backache frequency, of course.
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
it might not work also. Like it could be
It's all
whatever.
about the vibrations.
Yeah.
No, but the frequency one I think works, I guess.
The sleep one ones. I don't know about the backache one. But yeah.
Backache to
But
sounds
but
bullshit.
I tried the cough one, backache. I'm like,
Cough.
Cough one. What is it? Like it helps you stop coughing.
you can be like cough frequency
And it makes you cough or it makes you want to stop?
No,
coughing?
no, you don't know.
Why
It's a
would you
frequency.
want a
रात को चालू
frequency?
में चला के सो गया.
तो cough का क्या है इसमें?
वो पता नहीं, अगर वो करेगा तो करेगा, नहीं करेगा. रात को ऐसे स्लीप वाला लगा ही रहा हूँ, बट अगर आज स्लीप के साथ मेरे को कॉफ है तो मैं कॉफ वाला लगा दूंगा.
What's the harm?
उसमें खराबी क्या
हाँ,
है? शायद हो भी
correct.
जाए इम्प्रूवमेंट.
मतलब क्या सुबह उठते कॉफ चला जाएगा कि
नहीं जाएगा.
Okay.
मैं अभी बता रहा हूँ, नहीं जाएगा. But
it's just that while sleeping you don't cough probably.
no, ऐसा भी
Maybe.
नहीं
No,
है.
That's
वो भी
I
हो
want
सकता
to know
है.
your sleeping routine. Like, what do you do? What's your
So I have
process?
No, what's the next product?
अच्छा, प्रोडक्ट दिखाओ.
Product ही दिखा दे सब
हाँ,
sleep है तो
हाँ,
फिर
हाँ,
ऐसे
actually,
talk
how do
about
you
it.
start? Like, is
How-
the first thing melatonin and then you go to...
Wait, 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 wait,
Did
wait.
I get that?
I
Arey,
know
I'll-
what that is.
That's a
is
great
it?
question. Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, what? What are you saying?
No,
हाँ.
you continue then
This
we'll-
is this magnesium body lotion.
Magnesium body lotion.
Yeah.
Okay.
This Supriya Joshi, she
Yeah.
suggested to buy, and I bought it. And this is a product which I use little bit, but then not most days I forget.
Magnesium
But
for muscles.
I hope Supriya is not
lavender.
watching because I put every day. Okay. But the thing is,
Explain.
this is for the person I want to be. This is a
Okay.
product you
Yeah,
buy
yeah.
when.
we all of us have that one thing. we
Yeah,
want to be.
I'm
I
like
wanna
that.
be this
Yeah,
person
yeah,
now,
yeah.
like magnesium.
I'm like that
lotion.
with moisturizer, basic
Exactly,
moisturizer. I
yeah.
haven't reached there. So
Yeah.
once I reach there,
Exactly.
get
I'm
it.
like, if I want, sometimes I feel like life is not in control. And then you put this and you're like, okay, I think I'm
so
in control.
what does this do?
Hydrate.
This is also for sleep only. But
You
this is
apply
a-
It has
this and you sleep.
Minerals. You know, did you know there were minerals out there just for you to...
Magnesium is, yeah, apparent. मेरे को भी नहीं-
I've heard about
It's
the
supposed to be
magnesium
very-
part, but I know
No, but it
nothing
says
ab-
magnesium
other
for
than that.
muscles and lavender for sleep. Magnesium is not
और ये
for
लगाना भी कहाँ पे? पैर, मतलब यहाँ पे लगाना है, सोल पे
क्या?
बस अपने, हाँ, और सोना
सोल
है.
पे अबे
हाँ.
इतना मेहनत करते टाइम नींद आई जाएगी भाई. ये लो
एक घंटा
ये
लग
लो
जाएगा
दूसरे
यार.
चीजें करो.
But now you have a cat. Does the cat come and lick your leg after you?
No, she gets kicked out of the room. It's like, okay, you're out. And then I play cat calming music outside for her because she's crying.
Your house must be so weird
Yeah,
after 12 o'clock in the night. Just so many
Like
random.
yeah, bird sounds in the hall for the cat.
Yeah,
I wanna
because
see
she
a YouTube algorithm. What shows up there?
Yeah, at night all of this only shows up. Deep sleep, non-sleep, deep rest, yog nidra, which are the same thing by the way.
But you always had issues with falling asleep? Like you were always an insomniac or what?
No. In fact, I sleep a lot actually. I sleep 9 hours a day.
Is it because of this or? हाँ
9
वही.
hours a day?
I've had sleep issues, okay? So I used to sleep a lot earlier.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And then came a point where I was sleeping, but the
Yeah.
quality of sleep wasn't good enough. And I didn't realize that over a period of time that it kept like screwing with my
Yeah.
mental health and like a lot of things. And then what happened, I got an allergy, urticaria, and I
Okay.
couldn't use like disrupts your sleep and everything. So in general, all the doctors I went to, I tried allopathy, Ayurvedic, homeopathy, multiple doctors I went to, but across all so-called whatever streams of medicine, everyone just asked me this one question कि आप तुम्हारी नींद कैसी है? So I was like, अरे
Oh,
okay,
कुछ तो है वहाँ पे.
तो ये कुछ तो है,
हाँ.
थेरेपिस्ट हो गया, फिजियो
हाँ.
हो गया, मतलब हर एक इंसान ने बस यही सवाल पूछा. तो तब से I was like, oh okay. तो तब मैंने I started figuring कि मेरी sleep quality actually low है. It doesn't matter how many hours. Like of course you need to get in whatever 7-8
Yeah,
hours
8 hours
type.
जो भी है.
यहाँ हर एक के body clock पे अलग है.
अलग-अलग है,
6
हाँ.
में भी लोग का हो
Can't you
जाता है.
track it on your Apple
I track
Watch?
it also.
अच्छा,
I have an
of
app.
course. Of
So,
course.
but that's where it started. So then I'm like, "Hey, ठीक है ना, let's keep trying." And it really helps because, or you do like, say you do Yog Nidra 20 minutes
Yeah.
before sleeping, which is no, like Andrew Berman पे non-sleep deep rest बोलते हैं जिसको. So you can do that.
That cat's gonna grow up. Your cat's gonna grow up and do the same shit. Yeah,
My
apply
cat is
ये वो,
really.
frequency.
उसका skincare.
हाँ, skincare routine आ
मैं तो
जाएगा.
नहीं लगा रहा, तो तू ही लगा ले. So yeah, that is one more.
So what else? What
Next
else?
Next
product?
was, wait, I have 2-3 more. अरे I'm trying to look for that one. अच्छा चल वो नहीं मिल रहा है अभी.
Yeah,
हाँ,
it's
तो
okay.
next I have the Shroom coffee.
I've got an
Shroom
ad for this.
coffee.
Yeah,
I've got an
yeah,
ad
I
for this.
bought
They
it.
were on Shark Tank also.
Oh yeah.
But
Yeah,
I'm a
I
dumb
remember.
fuck. I'm a dumb fuck. I
Why?
buy into shit because then I go on their website and then I
decaf
buy this
coffee.
also.
What is room coffee?
Feng Shui
Other-
for focus.
And then I buy this coffee also. That's not coffee.
They're all coffee.
This is not coffee. This is Trim Tonic.
What
told
is
me-
trim tonic?
Fenugreek
What, for fat
something.
loss?
Dudeja,
fat
I
loss.
have to be honest. I haven't understood half the words you've said. in
Yeah,
this podcast.
Wow.
Can you explain Slim Tonic?
Slim
Like
Tonic
you did
तो मुझे भी
melatonin.
मेलेटोन मुझे भी नहीं पता.
Trim
मैं
tonic.
बता रहा हूँ.
Trim tonic.
मैं
What
वही
is Feng
पता.
Shui?
वो यार मैं बता रहा हूँ मुझे पता रहता है जब मैं अपना कटवा रहा हूँ पता रहता है कि मैं वेबसाइट जाता हूँ, अच्छा वेबसाइट बनाओ, अच्छा डिजाइन करो, तो मुझे क्लैरिटी के साथ बताओ कि ये करता क्या है, मैं खरीद लूंगा।
Even if I need it, don't need it, doesn't matter.
लाइक लायंस मेन लिख दिया तो मैंने ले लिया, अश्वगंधा भी लिखा है।
Oh, this is to lose weight.
Yeah.
While sleeping or while being awake?
This is general.
Achha, this is general.
Because they gave a very good proposition, 2.2 kgs in 45 days.
Yeah. इसमें लिखा हुआ है
Yeah,
2.2.
like,
Drinking
cool.
this?
Yeah, it's like a thing. So I'm like, let's try it, man. Like,
have
why
you
not?
tried it?
Abhi to haan, but it's very, very bad because it's methi seeds, dude. So I know I've had methi seeds in the past and they are horrible. This is still like you can take
Bearable.
one. Take one.
नहीं
अरे
अरे
take
why would
one.
I after you said it's horrible why would I take
अरे
it?
bro, but हाँ तेको तो कम
अबे
भी नहीं
कितना
करना।
कम करूँ भाई, मैं underweight हूँ अभी।
What
लोगों
is
को
this
चाहिए?
artisanal
mind.
coffee extract, which
I'll
is
take it.
decaf?
वो
this
वाला for focus है.
Focus on your sleep.
Focus
अच्छा,
नहीं.
we are away from sleep now, no?
We are away from
Oh,
sleep.
this is
Okay.
to help you wake up.
Wake up.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
but
This is a morning drink?
नो ये तो उन लोगों ने कुछ दिया हुआ है कि 2 बार, ये मैं एक्चुअली उतना मेरे को पता नहीं इसके बारे में ज्यादा,
Okay.
तो मैं ये एंडोर्स नहीं कर रहा हूँ।
Wait,
पहले मैं ट्राई करूंगा।
You had some more sleep products.
Yeah, I had mostly products.
Yeah.
There is that oil
Wait,
that I'm forgetting.
Wait, sorry. So you take this after waking up?
The cap also you can use, eye cap.
The eye cap.
Yeah, can you
One
summarize
second.
for us what is your sleeping routine
हाँ.
and what is your wake up
Wait,
routine?
I don't know when you are taking these
Yeah.
things.
Yeah, how do you wind up
Ram.
your day?
Yeah, are you using all of these products? That's a great question, actually. Yeah.
So I am using Veli is a SOS. Don't use it every day to sleep.
Again, we are not doctors, please.
Yeah,
yeah, we are
get
not doctors.
professional
हाँ.
advice
You
from-
can
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
मैं अपना बता रहा हूँ
also
अभी।
you take it every day, you'll build up resistance to it. So you
Yeah,
stop
yeah.
working.
So see, ideally, the point is that you have to get to good sleep naturally as much as you
Correct,
can.
correct.
So there are other factors that you can do, like I have these eye masks, and which is very normal. I thought, like, and
No,
these
it is. I have
earplugs.
an eye mask, but मैं घर पे use नहीं
You have
करता.
2 of them.
Yes, 3
I
actually.
have 3 actually.
Yeah.
I brought only like, and then I have this also.
What is that? Oh,
These are
earplugs.
earplugs, different kinds, cotton and this plastic.
This is also an earplug.
yeah. So
Don't
this
they
is,
irritate you?
no, they don't. Like it depends. No, if I'm outside and बहुत आवाज है
हाँ,
तो-
बाहर
so
के लिए तो of course to help you sleep. Do they help you sleep?
sometimes I wear it. Sometimes if I feel like it, just to create that vacuum.
Dudeja.
Yeah.
This says free. why,
What?
Why? Yeah.
Dude, I paid for it 200 for some 20.
200? अच्छा, for 20.
From Amazon. नहीं एक का नहीं लेंगे यार.
Yeah, 19
Yeah,
were
I
paid
mean-
instead of 3.
Who is selling this shit for free?
It says
There is not
free.
selling na today.
मेरे को बेचा गया है ये.
और सबके बाहर ही लिखा रहेगा ये फिर free.
Dude, what the hell, man? Amazon पे complaint आने वाली है.
Now after all of this,
Yeah,
how
I'm
is your
thinking-
sleep?
Yeah, is it
Oh, my
better?
sleep. I have an app to track that on my phone. It's a paid app.
Oh,
You
paid app.
900 rupees.
Subscription or one-time fee?
One time.
Okay. One time,
900.
okay,
Called
okay.
Auto Sleep.
Auto sleep.
Yeah.
It connects to
AUTO.
your watch.
Watch, yeah. So there's Abhishek told me about this. So there's like a score that you guys get on this. So like say for example,
How do you judge?
so
A
they will
good night's
calculate, no,
sleep.
like your sleep has
Your
been
REM
6 hours,
sleep and
53,
all
your
that,
deep
no?
sleep has
Yeah.
been 1 hour 51 minutes. So quality is 5 hours 22 minutes. Like I'll show you. This is today
What is
because I
your
had to
score
wake
last
up
night?
early.
What is your score last night?
This is last night.
Which is?
87.
Is it
Which
good?
is not that good because I mean for me I feel like, but so it's like there's one more thing here, like the sleep debt.
Sleep debt? You are in
Sleep-
debt?
I'm in 0.2% debt. Most people will be more than.
What does that mean?
What does that mean?
So you need to sleep 8 hours to clear your
Yeah.
sleep debt for 7 days a week. 7 days in a week if you sleep तुम्हारा वो clear out हो जाता है.
हाँ.
There is like because यार तुम्हारी body recover करने की कोशिश कर रही है उस time
हाँ.
बहुत कुछ तो तुम नहीं करोगे तो जमा होगा तो तुम्हें clear तो करना पड़ेगा वो. And like weekend पे खराब हो जाएगा if you like do any intoxicant.
Yeah.
it'll go. But like yesterday I had a massage session. So it was like completely like the whole day was planned for क्या chill करना है.
Got
Like
it.
कुछ करना नहीं है तो उसमें मेरा 100 था and if you look at my deep sleep was 4 hours 52 minutes.
4 hour 52.
Yeah, जो बहुत ही surreal है. Like
That
it's-
is
2
Insane.
hours.
a long
5
time.
hours
no?
you were
But I was sleeping.
out.
I was out for multiple times. But
I
like
mean, then it works.
So
All of
yeah,
this
But
that's
works.
only
why-
when you got a massage.
no, but regularly they say 2 hours 20 minutes should be your, for me in
Huh.
this app they calculated 2 hours 20 should be
Is
your
your
deep sleep.
average?
Yeah, but I sleep more than that. No, 2 hours 20 I need.
Oh, you need.
Yeah, but I sleep like even sometimes I don't sleep. So I have 2 hours 34 here. Then Here I have 242, which is like a lot, 3
Oh
hours.
my,
So
never seen anyone take sleep this seriously, man. I
Dude,
actually
there are
haven't.
graphs,
Like-
there are scores.
Yeah.
yeah, like I have 3 hours.
मैं मेरे
here.
करियर
So it's
को
like
इतने
a-
सीरियसली नहीं ले रहा भाई ये जितना
मैं भी नहीं
sleep
लेता
को-
हूँ मैं सोने को ही ले रहा हूँ. I think सोने को ही अपना बना दे.
I have also tried
Yeah,
these apps and all, these sleep tracking apps.
Yeah.
The problem is you have to wear a watch, dude.
Yeah.
Isn't that like
How-
wearing
Yeah,
a watch
while
while
sleeping, I don't want to be wearing a
exactly.
watch.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
Huh, so you wear a watch while sleeping?
Yeah, I wear a watch.
You wear a watch while sleeping.
I do, I
It's not
do.
uncomfortable. or
No,
what?
no, you get used
How
to
do you
it.
charge it?
I charge it before, no?
कितने
before-
सॉकेट है बे तेरे घर पे? तेरे घर पे कितने
One is
सॉकेट है?
attached to one socket
See-
attached to his watch when he's
यार यार पूरा मैं बता रहा हूँ मेरी लाइफ में से चार्जिंग होता है, कपड़े धोने होते
और
हैं
सोना
और
बस।
सोना है, लाइक और कुछ नहीं होता भाई.
He has to charge his device so he can fall asleep, not for the next day.
Yeah, I don't. Sometimes I sleep in the afternoon when the phone is charging, the watch is charging. I'm like waste हो गया ये.
Yeah.
sleep. ये हो नहीं रहा है यार ट्रैक. मैं सो क्यों रहा था? अपने बॉडी के लिए मैं तो इसके लिए सो रहा हूँ. हाँ मैं फंस चुका हूँ basically.
Now my product is
Yeah, what is
something
your
that
product?
has nothing to do with sleeping. It has everything to do
That let me decide.
with waking up. Actually, you're the
He'll find
expert.
a use case.
You're the expert. You're the expert. So I'm very scared of if I go to another city. Okay, whenever I go to another city, I'm very scared of not finding good coffee.
Okay.
I don't know what this fear is.
Oh my
like ground
God.
coffee. I'm very scared of not
Which
having
cities are you going to?
Kochi.
You think you?
Yeah, I thought I was pretentious.
I'll get it,
तुझे-
but it's just not
तुझे
easily
केरला में
available.
कॉफी नहीं मिलने
अरे
वाली.
it's just
मेरे
not
को
easy.
केरला में केसी रोस्टर्स नहीं मिलेगा तो मैं कैसे सो
कैसे भाई कैसे मैं सुबह उठते ही केसी को रोस्टर्स लिए क्या
It is a
करूँगा?
sleep problem. It
Yeah.
is a sleep problem.
Also, it is fascinating that you and Dudu both have a coffee product. The Hoshang and Dudu both have a fan product. what a world,
That's
dude.
only because
When-
we hang out
when all the
it
yeah when-
spills
same socio-economic status,
Yeah.
same pin codes almost, like with all the algorithms combined. It's just yeah, it's got
Wait.
nothing.
So I
Similar
have-
age group,
He has
similar
no
pure
Uber Mental
profession.
That's all. That's the only difference.
So
I
this
mean-
is a portable French press.
Okay.
Wait, this is a French press.
Yeah, it's a French press and it's also a sipper.
It's a
Wait,
Starbucks one.
No, Baba.
No.
क्या
Oh,
होता है?
It's one of
This
those
is
So-
not a tumbler. This is a French press.
It's a French press. I can make
You know what a
coffee.
French press is,
Whoa.
right?
Okay,
can-
yeah, got
मेरे
it,
को
got
कुछ
it.
मुझे नहीं पता.
Oh.
You see this? You can put coffee. Excuse me, it's my
पहले
product.
कौन सा कॉफी डालना है इसके
I mean-
अंदर?
Ground
I'm telling you what
coffee.
it is.
ग्राउंड कॉफी क्या होता है?
Ground coffee जो
Ground
महंगा
coffee
वाला
ये
आता है
होता
ना?
है.
ये वो जो जाके दुकान पे अलग अलग वाले.
हाँ,
Excuse me, ये
Home
ये
espresso
As
के लिए
Caribbean
दे दो.
roasters, we are slave free. We don't grow it in Africa.
ये Trinidad से लेके आया
हाँ,
हूँ
of
मैं.
course, ये वाला हाँ. But yeah, but that's the.
जब मैं ब्रांड लारा को मिलने गया था for no
oh,
reason.
oh, dude, ये बना ये मेरे लिए.
अबे ये ब्रांड लारा नहीं दिया. ब्रांड लारा didn't give this
I
to
know
me,
that,
dude.
but ये बना यार ये Caribbean की है.
अच्छा हाँ हाँ
ऐसे
हाँ.
बना
अरे
के
अभी
दे.
नहीं बनाऊंगा भाई.
अरे वाला हाँ ये खत्म करने के बाद. ए खत्म बंद
No,
करो
so-
कैमरा. Pack up. कॉफी पीनी है.
This is
ब्रांड लारा के होम टाउन से. Okay.
so you can like you put coffee powder inside this. Okay, this is
हाँ.
ground coffee and
तो
for
एक
French
सेकंड.
press.
My question is मैं इसमें Nescafe डाल सकता हूँ?
बिल्कुल
Yes,
नहीं.
okay.
बिल्कुल नहीं. French press requires a
Okay.
तू ही बता दे बिना माइक के. बिना माइक के बता दे ना फिर. माइक पे आवाज भी नहीं आ रहा
अरे
है.
मेरे
disturb
दोस्त
भी
लोग
कर
के
रहा है.
पास है ये मेरे
Good
दोस्त लोग.
point. Go ahead.
Disturb भी कर रहा है. माइक भी नहीं है तेरे पास.
Hoshang just don't give a fuck.
तू पसीना पोंछ.
पसीना पोंछ तू अपना. नहीं so different kinds of machines have different grinds.
Okay.
Like, तो अब ये French press का it's a little more coarse.
Okay.
The
Ground roast.
coffee, हाँ, it's a little more coarse. Espresso machine का it's very fine.
What is that called? Ground. Up.
Ground coffee.
Everything's-
fine grind.
Oh.
Fine grind for espresso machine. This is a little more coarse. The
So
French
this
press,
is
if you
ground
tell them,
coffee. That is fine grind coffee.
You give them.
So you basically you get beans, right?
हाँ.
Cocoa beans,
हाँ.
and then you crush them into
Okay.
powder. So
Okay.
there are different brewing methods. One is a French press, one is your mocha pot, one
Mocha
is an
pot.
espresso machine,
हाँ,
all
हाँ.
of these aeropress. So all of these techniques have different grind sizes you need.
Oh,
to
okay.
get the
That's
best
when you get
flavor,
the best
to extract
flavor.
the best
Okay,
flavor.
Yeah.
okay.
So there's a separate grind size for French press, separate grind size for espresso makers, and separate
Espresso.
grind size for mocha pot and all.
Okay.
So
मुझे
this
बस
is-
कॉफी
So
का
what is-
एक पता है. Bougie Cafe. Shout out again. Iced Cortado.
Potato.
With lactose free milk or oat milk if you're feeling rich.
But if you're outside of the city, then no bougie cafe. Then
Oh,
what do you do?
Then Bougie
Then-
Beans and Govind Menon.
Yes.
You Govind Menon also
It's
because I'm not
great.
making this.
It's
I need a
great.
guy.
You can just put the beans in here. You
Yeah.
put water, hot water. By the way, for hot water, if I'm not home in Kochi,
Wow.
okay, then how to get hot water? Then I have.
Have you heard of this app called Blinkit?
Arey, but what if there's no Blinkit?
There is Blinkit.
Not in
Acha,
Kerala.
What do you
yeah.
think
Blinkit
is
won't send
happening
you hot
outside of
water.
Bombay?
Blinkit
send
is
you
not there in
this.
Kerala.
In case you don't
What
find
about
this.
Instamart, Zepto?
Yeah, there's Instamart. Yeah.
But my point is, you'll find hot water everywhere, right?
But what if I don't?
But wait, you carry
Please
this?
tell me
Why is
about
it
a
so
moment where you
dirty?
didn't find hot
If
water.
I can, if there is space. Arey, that's the bag. The bag.
If I
is
can,
okay.
मतलब क्या होता है यार?
Like if he's traveling, he's taking it outside the city and all.
I take my coffee very seriously.
Wow, dude.
Okay?
That-
I
But
actually
this you
do.
will
Almost impressive in a
find
way.
hot water everywhere you go.
But this looks good. You don't
Where does
understand.
it look good?
That doesn't look
You
that
don't
great.
understand.
Doesn't look that great.
Where does it look good? In your bag while
It's
it's going?
rusted. I can see from outside this rusted.
Oh my
like it
god,
has
this
been
is
done.
dirty.
What the hell, dude?
This side, this side, this side,
Oh,
this
shit.
side. This side is for the camera.
The handle.
Oh my god.
Yeah, just the handle. This
And
is
you're
disgusting.
not making coffee on this. I can see what you've been making.
When did it get so dirty?
You've been using this as a base for something. Just look at it.
I swear to God, this was clean.
Look at your nails, Govind. I'm sorry. What the fuck is that?
This is election.
Arey, the second one.
That's a skin condition. Do you want to talk
Oh,
about
shit.
how
Next
my
election
skin
आने वाला है
condition
अभी तक
I'm
He has
sorry.
an autoimmune disease, dying.
Oh
dude.
shit.
I don't-
Dr. Whoman need episode soon. Only then.
Okay, I'm going to keep the kettle down. That looks
Okay.
horrible.
Okay.
But
What did
usually it's clean. Usually it's clean.
What do you get first though? The French press or the coffee
French
beans?
press.
Okay.
Beans तो भाई अब वो तो
No,
मैं
no,
खरीदते
but
रहता हूँ ना,
like I
तो-
thought you were like in Trinidad and you were like,
No,
oh, I'll
no,
buy
no,
it.
but
You
this
have
one
beans
has-
in India also.
This
No, no, but he
packaging
was like
is
after
great.
buying it.
Yeah.
I
है ना?
love this
It's
packaging.
This
excellent
is very good package.
I love this. Like that's why I want to have it.
It's like
See,
you're
like
Indiana Jones and
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
carrying some treasure.
Very pirate thing.
And-
pirate
and
thing.
मुझे
If-
कॉफी का कुछ नहीं पता but कोई
The
बोलेगा ये
packaging,
वाली
ये वाली, yeah.
Dude, the
तो मैं
packaging for
पीऊंगा.
coffee beans na is usually
Yeah,
very
it's
good.
usually
Even
very good.
those ones वो गोली आती है वो उसमें डालते
Espresso
हैं.
pods.
Yeah.
That's separate.
All my friends have coffee.
Yeah.
My like Casey Rosters के time से लेके I have like these coffee snobs. I'm surrounded by all of
Yeah.
them. I'm also coffee snob in the sense that मेरे को order करने के लिए मैं particular मतलब मेरे को कोई Starbucks बोलेगा तो मैं बोलूँगा
नहीं.
स्नॉब के लिए नहीं महंगा बहुत है उससे सस्ते में बहुत अच्छी कॉफी हर जगह मिल
100%,
जाती
100%.
लाइक तो
No, no, true. Starbucks is
Starbucks is
horrible
terrible.
coffee.
yeah
like for coffee.
but yeah मेरे को सब मेरे दोस्त ये सब पिलाते हैं
Packaging is very
ये
good.
बहुत
dude.
अच्छा
But
लग रहा है
Govind, I have a.
No, no, wait.
but that
I have a
is
grievance.
that is the dumbest thing I've heard
Yeah, yeah,
because
it
you're
is.
going to find hot water
And
everywhere
also he doesn't use it. I'll tell you why. Because we went to Goa for a week.
So if I can
There was
is
no French press. There was no.
no, that's see.
If
That's
I
because
can-
Goa has good coffee everywhere. I can get it. Kochi में I have faced this too many times. I go to कोच्चि से ज्यादा त्रिशूर I go to.
तू कितना जाता है
अबे माँ बाप से मिलने तो जाता हूँ ना
तो
मैं.
वहाँ पे खरीद के रखना ये तू ये क्या
वो
लेके
लोग-
जा रहा है
उनके घर पे केटल काम आएगी भाई.
और
उनको
उनके
भी
घर पे
देते हैं.
गैस है गरम
Let
करने
me
पानी
say this is gonna blow your mind. My mom dad gave me this kettle.
Carry it
I
with
carried
you.
it from Kochi. till
तो
here.
why did you carry it till here
Arey, because I was like, your kettle looks good, dude, in the house.
where
In the house.
तो buy
and I
one
swear-
here
Yeah, I have na kya I'll buy.
This is. I'm sorry.
Don't show this to the camera again. This is too dirty.
guys what the hell
This is the most basic looking kettle.
Yeah, dude.
out there.
kettle
It's a
doesn't
basic
look
kettle
good
only.
anywhere
Traditional entry level.
It's a dude who said.
इसके साइड में एक पॉप अप टोस्टर भी डाल दिया अमेरिकन ड्रीम क्या चल रहा है तेरे
I
दिमाग में
had a toaster.
Okay, the cereal, the perfect, most important meal.
उसके बाद ground coffee बना लिया.
I had
I'll conflict for my children.
you know, I had a toaster. हाँ मेरे घर पे toaster. ये वो खराब कैसे हुआ एक दिन.
flight में लेके जा रहा था.
सुनना एक दिन मैं toast कर रहा था bread. ठीक है ऊपर आया and I was like it smells very weird. So then I removed the bread. I was like what the fuck is this? मैं toaster के अंदर देखा. My pen
Your pen.
was inside the toaster and it melted inside the toaster. Otherwise I would have gotten my toaster
तेरे पास
also
बाट
today.
टब नहीं है ना आई होप तेरे
मैं
पास
इलेक्ट्रोक्यूट हो जाऊंगा भाई.
वही मुझे लग रहा है तू गोविंद की मौत मुझे पता है कैसे होने
2
वाली
दिन भी
है
नहीं लगेगा मैं इलेक्ट्रोक्यूट हो जाऊंगा भाई बाट टब में. सो ब्रेकफास्ट अगर बाहर मैं हूँ कहीं जहाँ कॉफी नहीं मिलता है तो टू मेक थिंग्स इजी ये वाटरमेलन कटर है.
टू मेक व्हाट इजी
वाटरमेलन कट करता है ये.
अभी तू कहाँ पे जा रहा है जहाँ पे तुझे रोज वाटरमेलन की तू कितना
bro,
वाटरमेलन
this is
खाता है
cool.
मेरे को
man.
पसंद है. दिस इज डैम कूल
Yeah,
dude.
dude.
See,
So?
so you put the watermelon this inside the watermelon, okay? and this rotates
Whoa.
and it becomes cubes.
एक
rectangle.
सेकंड तू वाटरमेलन कहाँ
And
डालेगा
यहाँ आता है.
Where do you
इतना
stab it?
इतना बड़ा इतना छोटा वाटरमेलन
अबे 4-5 पीस आएंगे फिर वापस कर ले भाई.
हाँ पूरे you do
एक
it all over the
सेकंड
watermelon.
मैं
like
बड़ा
that.
Yeah.
वाटरमेलन लेता हूँ
हाँ तू घुसा दे अंदर.
कहाँ घुसा मतलब कैसे घुसा?
देख वो फोटो मैं डाल दूंगा वहाँ नीचे.
ठीक
है.
ठीक है. अब मैं
Can you upload a live demo? Like, can you do it in your
आई
home?
थिंक
Yeah.
तुझे कंसेंट लेना है पहले वाटरमेलन का
So wait.
तू जिस हिसाब से इसे डिफाइन कर रहा है कि घुसाई दो अंदर क्या बातें कर रहा है यार ये आदमी डूड व्हाट द हेल
फिर वापस
क्रीपी स्माइली तू ले टी-शर्ट साले
the t-shirt
तेरी
and
हरकतें
get it.
है क्रीपी वाली
अरे यार,
घुसाई दे अंदर
मैं तो बस ब्रेकफास्ट खाने की बात कर रहा था यार.
तेरे घर
Do you have
पे
to cut a hole first in the watermelon and then put it in?
No, no, no.
Just shove it in.
I mean,
No, you
you
look
cut
for a
it into
watermelon with a
half.
hole
Cut
in
it
it.
into
Cut it into
half. Of course,
half.
cut it
On the
into
soft
half.
side, okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course, cut it
Oh.
into half.
अच्छा.
Not
Yeah,
the
that makes
whole
sense.
watermelon, बाबा.
Oh.
इसके अंदर कैसे डालेगा
अच्छा
तू?
But
एक
it's
सेकंड
great.
तू ये घर पे करता है अपने
हाँ?
तू ही
मतलब थर्ड टाइम से नहीं किया दिख रहा है तेरे को इसमें ना डस्ट.
Okay.
स्टार्टिंग में
Like the
डस्ट
kettle
तो दिख ही
reveal.
रहा है
Yeah, like the
Dust
kettle.
somewhere.
हाँ उल्टा ये कॉफी का डर लग रहा है कॉफी में डस्ट पता नहीं चलेगा अंदर डस्ट है
देख
नहीं है
कॉफी
फंगस
खोला नहीं है ना मैंने थर्ड टाइम से. अरे खुला नहीं है तो फिर
Okay.
it can be. So there's another one breakfast के लिए. This is
तेरा
for
ब्रेकफास्ट का बहुत
corn cobs. Corn cobs say you can remove the
Oh.
like what do you call it?
Yeah, yeah.
Shred.
The
नहीं.
corn.
Peel.
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 तू कितना कौन खा रहा है भाई तू कितना
कौन अच्छा है यार.
तू रोज सुबह
American-
भुट्टा
अबे रोज सुबह थोड़ी यूज करता है तू. वो शुन साले तू बोला नहीं यूज करता. मैं कुछ बोला देखो नहीं.
ओके ओके
ये क्या इतना why you being so tough on me?
बिकॉज़ यू वर
I
टेलिंग
said I don't use it every day.
ओके ऐसा कूल
No, no, no.
Okay.
But I need.
मतलब मुझे कॉर्न तो मैं खाता ही नहीं हूँ बिकॉज़
you
आई
don't
एम
like
अगेन dude because corn fucking comes out as corn when you're shitting dude how can you eat it after that
Anyway, तो कौन ये पील करता है.
can't
बट
eat
मैं
corn,
कौन
but-
मैं कभी कभी खाता हूँ सुबह.
अच्छा देखो पता कैसे चला ये फैक्ट
बढ़िया. बट
Okay.
कौन फिर भी मैं कम ही करता हूँ. वाटरमेलन वाला dude.
How would
वाटरमेलन
use
तो
the
मेरा भी
watermelon
फेवरेट
one?
है
You
I
use it?
have used it. This works. This
No, no.
works.
Do you use it
I
regularly?
have
Not
used
like
it.
once.
What is up with you two wanting me to use it
what
every
is asking
day?
a useful
it's that
product?
question.
Excuse me.
I just want to see if I should buy it if it's a useful
No,
product.
Don't buy it. It's not that useful also.
Borrow it
You
from
can,
Govind.
you can, yeah, borrow it.
He's
see
not
for
using it
2-3
anyway.
days. See for 2-3 days. इतना भी useful नहीं है. That's why I stopped
Yeah,
using
yeah.
it.
Sure.
क्योंकि
Yeah,
एक तो हर
exactly.
सुबह वाटरमेलन कौन ही खा रहा है. 5
कोई
स्टार
नहीं खा
होटल
रहा.
के ब्रेकफास्ट में
कोई
थोड़ी
नहीं
जा
खा
रहे
रहा.
भाई.
But
यार,
the idea of
summer
it
fruit
coming
है.
out as perfect cubes is fascinating.
है ना?
That
It
is
just
great.
sounds too good to
It's
be
not
true.
Yeah.
It's not too perfect, but
It's not. It's
Yeah,
really
yeah.
not.
There's no
Yeah,
way
yeah,
you're
yeah.
getting perfectly sliced
No, no, no,
watermelon.
you don't. You don't.
Yeah, sure.
But like it's somewhat
It's a
doable.
gimmick.
this is
Yeah.
called buyer's remorse
Yeah.
and this is exactly the
That's why I got
the
so.
entire cycle of buyer's remorse
That's why I'm defending this so hard. I don't care about corn.
yeah, I felt personally attacked
Yeah, I feel personally attacked because I bought this shit. अब क्या करूँ मैं इसका?
and like how Antariksh said no this is very useful
But it is fascinating.
If it
It
does
is
what
fun.
it says,
If it does,
then
yeah.
it
That's why I
is.
bought it. That's why I bought
Correct.
it.
Okay.
It somewhat does
Yeah.
what it
Okay.
says.
I want to
somewhat.
test it out.
Crazy.
Okay.
Anyway, those are my products. एक और coffee है चाहिए तो.
hey wow dude we'll make
Coffee
up
बनाते हैं
Fancy
इसके
coffee,
बाद,
huh?
you have to make up for
Yeah,
us
yeah, okay.
Yeah. So I like we were talking earlier on Instagram. I started getting this
oh I have
ad.
same bag
Same bag.
Herschel?
Herschel,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. This is just me living my childhood dream. Super bad में देखता था मैं Herschel.
ओ हाँ
Herschel मेरे को
ओ
चाहिए
मैं
था.
मेरे को तो बस ये कलर अच्छा लगा
अच्छा
पर
colour
फिर मैंने
है
इनका वॉलेट भी लिया इनका एक बीच वाला बैग भी लिया फिर एक ये बैग भी
Wallet
लिया
लिया था मैंने.
हाँ और एक वो पोर्टेबल बैग भी है मेरे पास इनकी
Portable bag कौन
वो
सा?
जो वो बीच होते हैं ना छोटे पाउच में आ जाती है खोल लो
हाँ.
बेस्ट बैग
Where did you buy it from?
so my uncle stays in Canada
अच्छा,
so I
Canada.
shipped these 2-3
हाँ.
things to his house
वही मैं जब दुबई गया था all I wanted was one thing. I wanted a Herschel
Herschel
bag.
yeah and Dubai has a store there
Yes.
Yeah.
and even Herschel Thailand से I bought the but like original they but on 50% off the वो अपना छोटा बैग को क्या बोलते हैं अपन
Fanny
Fanny.
pack.
हाँ फैनी
जैसा
वाला
ना,
एक
हाँ.
लिया
Crossbody.
क्रॉस
हाँ.
बॉडी वाला अच्छा है वो भी
But this is not my product. My product is this.
अच्छा है
What is
What
that?
is
I'll
that?
tell you.
बुकमार्क
It is a bookmark.
Okay.
So I don't read
oh
a
is it
lot,
a
but
magnetic one
It's not magnetic,
Oh,
but it
okay.
is a smart bookmark.
sure
So I
I've had a
saw
magnetic
this-
bookmark,
wait,
by
wait,
the
I'll
way.
show you. I'll show you. So when I saw it on Instagram, I didn't read what it does. I just saw smart bookmark. So I made up a use case in my head.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
how
yeah.
I would make a smart bookmark.
Yeah.
Right?
What was it?
Like basically, I'll just put it in and it'll automatically see what page I'm on, how much
Okay.
did I read that day, track all of it, and then send it to me on an app.
yeah
That's what I
Okay.
thought. it
yeah
did.
yeah
Makes sense.
This
I thought.
is-
अच्छा.
It's gonna be a piece of paper or something.
Yeah, it's
Wow.
the stupidest thing. Regular bookmark, it has an NFC tag on it.
Okay.
Okay.
NFC tag.
NFC
okay.
tag. So basically, you tap your phone, and it doesn't work on iPhones.
It doesn't work on iPhone.
But even when it works
What
on
does
normal
supposed to
phones,
be-
what does
Yeah,
it
what
do?
does it do?
A web page pops up. Okay, first you have to log in. You need to get an OTP. I reached there, didn't get an OTP for like half an hour. So I'm just
Okay.
waiting.
Ah.
Finally get an OTP. What it basically is like an Excel sheet where you manually update how much you read that day.
Oh my
What?
God.
What you
This
read.
is
What the hell?
genius on their part.
This is like
Gotta give it to
Dudu's
them.
watch waking him up. Hey, तू अब feed in कर कितना सोया तू आज? How much was deep sleep?
But this is worse than
is
that.
So-
It's like Dudeja's tracker being Dudeja only, but an app is like मैं बताता हूँ.
Oh shit,
That's
dude.
all it does. And
बट
every
तूने
time-
300 रुपए में सोचा हो तेरे को पूरा रीडिंग फीड देंगे.
पता नहीं ऐसा क्यों
अच्छा ये
लगा।
300
हाँ.
का
ये
है.
300 का
ऐसा
लिखा हुआ
हाँ,
है
पीछे
उसपे।
लिखा
I
हुआ
just thought कि if it's a smart
हाँ.
bookmark, at least one of these features will be there. None of it.
वो फीचर होता ना अगर तो
थोड़ा महंगा होता.
Is this a
महंगा
big-
होता और तुझे पता होता अब तक तू इंस्टाग्राम पे ऐड नहीं देख रहा
Yeah,
होता.
is this a big company?
No, I think
भाई
it's
इससे
very
अच्छा
new.
बुकमार्क का मैं तुझे बताता हूँ.
क्या?
मैंने खरीदा था 2 चीज. एक लंदन से ही
हाँ.
GMT वहाँ पे म्यूजियम है
हाँ, हाँ,
जहाँ पे
हाँ.
टाइम शुरू
हाँ,
होता है
हाँ.
ग्रेनिच.
Yeah.
तो वहाँ क्या जो गिफ्ट स्टोर है
हाँ.
उसमें
तू कंप्लीट नहीं किया वो फुल फॉर्म.
ग्रेनिच
medium time
मीडियम
ही है ना.
टाइम यार. वहाँ पे एक पैर लेफ्ट राइट रखेगा तो अलग अलग तू वो लैटिट्यूड एंड लॉन्जिट्यूड में. एनीवे उसका बुक स्टोर में दे हैव नासा बिस्किट आइसक्रीम.
हाँ.
Like
Dude, NASA
astronaut
is doing the dumbest and the
astronaut
wildest
biscuit ice cream, which is like a biscuit ice cream which they send to space.
Space.
With like उसको कुछ करके then you have to open and do something. I got it as a gift actually to give it to someone, so I don't know what
That's a
happened.
great gift.
But
Yeah.
it's like when you पता है कोई when someone's moving abroad वो पाव भाजी वो पूरा deheat करके वो
हाँ वैसे
pack
या
करके
या
देता है,
वही
वैसे
वाला
वाला ना?
हाँ वैसे ही वाला. Plus
Deflate
they have a
करके, हाँ.
magnetic bookmark. So that's actually a smart
What is
bookmark
that?
technically.
Oh, magnetic is
हाँ मतलब basically ये
it just-
bookmark होगा.
हाँ.
तो ये यहाँ पे एक magnet है और यहाँ पे एक और ये है.
हाँ.
तो तू बस ये खोल दे. उसको बस चिपका दे वहाँ पे.
That is actually smart.
That is a
That's
smart
Oh,
bookmark.
that's
So I was
so
like
smart.
उससे better क्या हो? NASA, another like
NASA
NASA.
is
But
great.
bro,
You know-
Hoshang,
Yeah.
the original idea you had for the what the book
It's a
was
great idea.
I know. I
Yeah.
know.
That's actually
what
a
I
very
thought
good
they
idea.
did.
I think you should pitch it to
Yeah.
Shark Tank.
That's
But
a
how do
business
you
idea, bro.
but how do you measure? But even one of the features if you do it'll be a path breaking bookmark.
Dude, in my head, I'm like, AI has come too far. Maybe they found a way. Things are cheaper now. While I was on this website, so I saw this. I'm like, okay, this is what it does. They also
Yeah.
were selling.
But you know you could also have something on the lines of like
Hey, that's a
They were selling
that's
a smart water bottle.
Wha-
Also.
wait.
what the hell?
इसमें what do you have to what Excel sheet? Same Excel sheet.
कि आज कितना पानी पिया? Dude, इन्होंने तुझे एक्सेल शीट बेचा है.
what a like they're robbing you, dude.
Oh my
By
god,
saying
dude.
Smart water bottles, smart because they're just robbing you.
Yeah.
What is this company?
ये कौन सा ये स्कैम है?
Scam है, dude.
ये स्कैम है.
Strix.in is
Then
a
I went
scam.
on their website. Then I
Somewhat.
went on their website.
I don't know
They're
if
not
they're a scam.
They're not a scam. I
I'm
just
sorry.
didn't read it. They're not a scam.
I'm sorry, Strix.in, you're not a scam.
But you all
Sorry.
make bad products. What the hell?
Yeah, what is this? Dude, you know what I thought?
Okay, बॉटल का तेरा इमेजिनेशन बता. तेरा
अबे क्या
यूजेज
भाई,
क्या?
क्या?
हाँ,
तेरे को कुछ
कि
mic
क्या
की
था?
जरूरत है?
पहले तेरे इमेजिन
Smart
बता.
mind, dude.
Smart Excel sheet में लिखा हुआ है तेरा जो भी है.
तूने
In
क्या
my
सोचा?
head, I thought कि इसके अंदर कुछ तो चिप विप है.
हाँ.
मैं जितना पानी पीऊंगा वो ऑटोमेटिकली स्टोर कर लेगा कितना पिया है जिसने.
To be honest-
all I have to do is refill the bottle.
तूने वो शो देखा है क्या जेटसन्स बचपन में
हाँ।
कार्टून पे?
हाँ।
तू वो दुनिया में जी रहा है लगता है कि मुझे कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं. वो ब्रश भी आ जाएगा, ये भी हो जाएगा, कोई धो लेगा सब कुछ, कोई
Dude,
टॉवल
in
लगा
my
देगा.
head, when you had said
Yeah.
smart bookmark,
Yeah.
you had a real smart bookmark in your head क्योंकि in my head it was just कि bookmark से speaker से कुछ बोलेगा page 300 like, इतना तो smart नहीं होगा क्योंकि you were like Mike smart bookmark ला रहा हो जो smart नहीं है. I was like यही होगा. But it's worse. It's way
अगर इस
worse.
पे स्मार्ट लिख के भी दे देते कि स्मार्ट बुकमार्क and that
That's
would
how
be
they were selling it, smart bookmark.
no,
They
they should
said-
have just written smart here on this,
Oh,
and that would have
yeah,
been
yeah.
still a good joke that
Yeah.
I would buy.
Yeah.
Like, oh, okay, ठीक है, you guys.
So what
whatever.
I missed out on was the name of the company. It's called Strix, but it's pronounced Streaks. So what they're trying to do is create streaks for you.
Oh.
You know, like the Snapchat streaks. Like so, you do this every day. They try to create a habit.
Ah,
So what
like
they're
I have
doing-
one
I'm
app
too
for that as
lazy.
well.
I thought the This
No,
will
no.
do the job.
What they're doing wrong is calling these smart devices
And
because
fucking
that's not
spell
what
it
is.
right. Who will read STRI?
Also, if they're trying to make you have a streak with something,
Yeah.
the fact that you're having to fill an Excel sheet is so
Also
demotivating
wait
and
for
part
an
of that.
OTP, dude. Every time I have to do it, I have to put
Who
an
is
OTP.
thinking that I want to start reading? Let me get a
Let me-
smart bookmark
Yeah.
where I can put in a streak. I can just put it in regardless.
You can make an Excel sheet yourself.
Exactly. You don't even need an Excel. You can get like a calendar and just
Yeah.
mark. Like there are so many ways. You can put it on your phone.
Reminders नहीं होगा भाई.
Okay, it would be cool if they could give hotspot. You know, like now that would be because their logo also looks like Wi-Fi, right? Like
Yeah, correct. It did
not
happen
even
once.
close to what, like just a smart water bottle which gives Wi-Fi
Yeah.
for some reason.
So if NFC doesn't work, they also have a QR which you can scan and go to their website.
Doesn't work का क्या मतलब है? Even
Very
if it
website.
oh
QR you can scan and go, na?
इसमें तुझे login किया
Every
OTP
time
मिला
through WhatsApp. I have to ask for an OTP.
and they're asking for your number.
Yeah.
So like they're just buying all your data
Yeah, they're-
and they're
giving
selling your
nothing.
product and not dude this is
horrible.
this company I can't.
For sure, it's a Chinese product.
I
No,
don't
it's an
doubt.
Indian company.
Indian ही
It's an
होगा.
Indian company.
Indian ही
only
होगा.
an Indian can think of such a clever way of scam. It's a great scam, but no.
I know it's an
like-
Indian company because the NFC wasn't working right, so I emailed them. The NFC isn't working. He gave
How-
me his WhatsApp.
How
number.
much is the bottle for?
In total? I think I paid like 1,500, 1,700.
So the
something.
bottle's for 1,200 bucks.
I guess.
Oh
Yeah,
my
yeah,
god.
yeah, yeah.
1200 for Excel.
Excel.
So, पता है Google
But honestly,
पूरा
not a bad
Googled
bottle though. It's a
bot-
decent bottle.
but for 1200
no, no.
you get this
1200
like
तो
for
बिल्कुल
maybe
नहीं.
200-300 rupees
Yeah,
somewhere.
man. Abey,
Yeah, stay Dadar
At
market you go
Crawford, I'll
now.
get for like
Crawford, Dadar
150.
market.
I went
or
to
lesser.
I went to Little Easy. That
But what about the QR? Will I get
that's
the QR?
true. I went to
you can
Little
print
Easy.
it right outside the station.
I just put my UPI code.
I went to a restaurant, Little Easy, where they gave us water in 150 for 150 rupees in a glass bottle. I
Yeah.
took that bottle home, and I got it for
Of
150
course,
rupees.
yeah,
I
you
still
gotta-
use it.
That
As my
that
water
glass
bottle.
bottle.
Yeah,
I know,
that-
the black color one.
Yes, damn nice.
It come with the silicone grab.
You
grip.
will get
Yeah.
all of this
Yeah, this,
for less than 300
I know,
rupees.
yeah. I thought it did something
ठीक है.
else.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
On my wish list. So there are multiple things.
Arey, whatever you want to talk about,
Uh,
yaar.
एक
One thing
तो
you've been obsessing over.
Yeah.
मतलब
anything
not
you
obsessing over, but if I have some like extra money, I would love to buy a Dyson vacuum cleaner.
That
Like
was my
the-
wish list product in
yeah.
the first episode.
Yeah, but it's too expensive.
It
But I
is,
want
it
it
is.
because like dust is a major scene, and like
Doesn't
I've
help-
already
It's very difficult to sleep.
sleep exactly. Yeah, and I have allergies. That's literally that's the
True.
reason
True.
I
true,
want
true.
it.
वो
That's
वायरलेस वाला है ना?
हाँ.
वायरलेस वाला हाँ एयर प्यूरिफायर डाइसन अगर बहुत पैसे हो जाएंगे तो ठीक है
Air
But
purifier is a good. तेरे पास है?
not- नहीं है बट अगर बहुत पैसे आएंगे तो वो भी
हाँ.
You
But I
look
would
like
buy-
someone who would have an
Hey,
air
dude,
purifier.
oh, excuse me
Arey, I also want one, dude, but you also look like someone.
थैंक्स मैन I take it as a
With
compliment
Crocs पहने यार, of course.
इज्जत से बात करो समझे ना एयर प्यूरिफायर
Bro,
वाला
dude, that
आदमी
Dyson vacuum cleaner is so much fun to use. मैं जब अभीश के लिए काम करता था, I used to
हाँ.
go to his house just to use the
Use the
vacuum
vacuum
cleaner. मैं आऊँगा तो घर
cleaner.
से
It's
वाइब्रेशन-
therapeutic and
अभीश के लिए सही है भाई वो मतलब वो पैसे दे तो रहा है तेरे को और उसका घर
हाँ,
साफ
हाँ,
कर
मैं
रहा है
घर
तू।
साफ कर रहा
उसका
था।
घर साफ कर रहा है He's like भाई लिख दे तू राइटर है नहीं ये रूम के बाद आता हूँ ये रूम
मैं तो चुरा लेता मैं तो बोलता अभीश थैंक यू फॉर वन मोर गिफ्ट कैश एंड काइंड
Okay, now we're down to our last segment.
अरे
which
कितने
is
हैं भाई?
Last segment.
Final,
last segment.
absolute
कितना
final.
टाइम रहता है एक एपिसोड
वो देख लेंगे भाई
अंतरिक्ष बोर हो चुका है उसने
वो
लैपटॉप पे अपना
हमेशा
काम
बोर
कर
होता
लिया
है लास्ट सेगमेंट अंतरिक्ष का ही है
Okay.
तो लास्ट सेगमेंट ट्रांजिशन अंतरिक्ष टेक इट
Anish,
अवे
quickly
quickly take it away
All
Quickly
right.
one game.
Okay, guys, we have a very fun game today.
Okay.
We, you know, celebrities when they become big, okay, and then they do like
yeah
a
I
very
would know
yeah of course you know
And
once you
you get it.
cross 20,000 followers
Followers,
now,
the big
fucking
guy,
it's
the big
a
league.
very
Hoshang
different-
and I were still,
yeah,
still
sure,
very
it's a
close.
different
Antariksh, I
world
don't know. Antariksh, I don't know.
10,000 followers के बाद it's a different world man sorry
So when they become famous and they play like a very prominent role in a film,
Hmm.
sometimes the clothes from that role, of that character, are auctioned off.
Yeah,
Okay.
Okay. So I have a list of some of these products and how much they were auctioned off for. I'll tell you what the product is, who the actor, actress is, what movie they played that role in,
Yeah.
and you have to guess how much that would have been auctioned off.
okay
Okay. So let's start with the first one. The first one is
I want to auction my t-shirt which is sweaty
Madhuri Dixit.
oh
Okay.
Okay. She's done the song Dhak Dil Dhak Dhak Karne from the
yeah.
movie Beta.
He
Yeah.
finds a way to
She's-
bring his filmmaking
Yeah,
on all the podcasts.
That
huh?
filmy bender.
She's also done Mar Dala in Devdas. She was in Devdas.
Haan.
Okay, both of those outfits have been sold. Okay.
Okay.
So how much do you think the Dhak Dhak Karne Laga
In
wala
rupees,
outfit?
no?
In rupees, yeah. It's
Okay.
How popular?
No, in
Uh,
Solana
so one of-
crypto, tell us.
So-
0.001 Sol.
One Ethereum.
One Ethereum. I don't
That's
know what that
actually very
conversion rate is.
expensive, I think.
That's very
Ethereum. Yeah, very
expensive.
expensive.
Dhak Dhak was a very popular song. It was like an item
Yeah,
song.
it was a huge song.
Yeah,
Yeah.
back in the day before.
Who was the
current-
designer? Manish Malhotra?
Oh, designer.
It does not
Good,
say.
good,
That's a good question. But
Janna padega
the
na.
article I'm on does not say.
I know
Okay,
the choreographer would be Saroj Khan.
Yeah, that
Had
makes
to
sense
be.
to me again.
I'll say 10 lakhs.
It's a sari, I remember.
When was it auctioned? How long ago?
Nice
That's again a
question.
good point.
Good
I should
question.
ask questions. I'm
Yeah.
just saying
Yeah.
numbers.
So
How-
okay, let me read the caption, the entire description of this for you. Okay, the sensational actress became the talk of the town when she performed on the song "Dhak Dhak" from the movie Beta. The actress was seen in a sensuous yellow sari, which was put on auction for a charitable cause and was sold for dash. Okay, that's the amount you have to guess.
What is the charity?
I don't know all this. I'm just reading the article.
Okay.
The article
What's
is
the
on.
dash? What's the dash?
The article is on bollywoodshadis.com.
Ah.
Not even.
So we know it's reliable.
How
I'll
much
say
did you say?
10 lakhs. I'll still say 10 lakhs.
10
Ah.
lakhs. Yeah, I
Wait,
would.
when was it auction? I forgot.
Around the time when Beta would have come out. Would have
Oh,
been,
that back then.
Yeah.
Okay,
I guess,
so like Beta was what, 80s?
No, 90s.
Early
Yeah.
90s.
Oh, so
Yeah.
10 lakhs, you're still saying 10 lakhs?
As you say yours?
Okay. 5 lakhs.
5 lakhs. Okay.
I'm thinking if this was closer to post-liberalization time or not.
Would be more.
Because how much people got money
Money,
later.
Yeah,
Yeah,
on,
yeah,
like,
inflation, all of that stuff, yeah.
When was Beta?
When-
When?
What is
years?
beta?
Beta वो मूवी
Movie,
जिसने गाना
Oh,
है
okay.
मैंने भी नहीं देखी है अनिल कपूर है ना इसमें
I
Anil
think
Kapoor,
so.
1992 film.
1992
Yeah.
so I would say 2 lakhs
2 lakhs.
10
2
lakhs.
Okay.
What is the budget of the movie, do you know?
Arey, fuck
I mean,
that.
I can,
Right,
if you
okay.
have time, I can find out.
No,
Ta-
no,
go on
no, yeah.
Enough
taranazars.com
questions. Enough questions. Enough.
Okay.
Just
Uh,
numbers
2 lakhs
now.
2 lakhs
Okay.
2 lakhs?
The-
5
2
lakhs,
lakhs is
10
also a
lakhs.
lot
The
but
answer for the Dhak Dhak outfit is 80,000 rupees.
yeah I had a feeling
Shit, so close.
Okay, but
So I
the
win, right?
lehenga which she wore in Mar Dala from Devdas
That's
is a lot more.
Oh,
So
okay. We have
guess
to guess
that.
that.
Yeah.
but I was so I
70
win right
lakhs.
I win right
7 lakhs?
70.
70 lakhs.
I just want to be so
but I win
wrong.
right
Huh?
I won the first one I was the closest
That nobody should get that one.
Hey,
Nobody was
what the
that
fuck
close.
dude 2
What do you
lakhs
mean?
and- what do you
No,
mean
no,
Yeah,
he
he
was
was
the
very
Yeah, he
closest.
was.
I
the
used
but
some brains
I
like
was-
I'd be
yeah,
like
I was-
and
he
I was
was
saying
close
also
enough.
2
He
will
was
be
close.
allowed.
Words like
Close enough.
liberalization,
Okay.
We're gonna
post-globalization
strike,
and all.
We're gonna strike if you don't give him points. Give him.
Okay, fine.
I got
you
1
take-
point
you get
Yeah,
okay
okay,
you're
1
saying
point.
70 lakhs
No, I was kidding,
Ah.
dude. I'll
No.
say this is like 3 lakhs. The lehenga.
Okay, okay.
This is Devdas from
Devdas,
Devdas.
yeah.
Oh,
Mar-
Devdas is pretty
was it sold during around the same time
Usually the like
10
a
lakhs.
max of like after the success party of the movie is around the time they do all these things.
I would say 6
I'll say 3.
Who bought it?
Okay. The,
Shah Rukh.
the- not
Shah Rukh
the
only
goal.
bought it.
So the final answer is it was sold for 3 crores.
oh wow
Shit, 70 lakhs. both.
we all
Yeah,
get
that
one
should've-
slap from Antariksh.
Yeah.
For 3 crore, it must have been later on.
Yeah,
for
I think
sure.
about
You
it
think
later
he's
on.
Yeah,
Three
because
crores.
dude,
The
if
movie
you're
didn't make
saying,
that much.
dude, 3 crores mein back then you would get a mansion. Like
Yeah, right now also you'll get a
Yeah,
good
you'll get a
house.
good house.
decent
yeah,
house.
but if you had 3 crores in 2002,
Yeah,
Yeah.
correct.
like
correct,
you would
correct,
get
correct,
like
correct,
at least some 4 2 BHKs
What's
in
the-
Bandra.
yeah.
Like it was that much.
What's the value of that lehenga now? Where is it? Who has it?
It doesn't say any of these things, man.
What do you mean? Who
It's
bought
okay,
it?
It's
So
okay, it's
see-
okay. He doesn't know, I
Yeah,
guess.
it's
dude.
the article.
It's just some article,
Yeah,
man.
okay. How would I know? The
He
article
didn't
is
buy
what
it.
they-
He
yeah.
doesn't know.
I know.
3 crores is like
3 crores is
अभी
yeah.
अभी recent times में हुआ होगा.
Unreasonable.
हाँ, it has to be
हाँ,
now.
अभी
think?
परसों लिया होगा
Yeah,
भाई.
recent में हाँ.
Okay, there's one more then.
Okay.
Amir Khan
हाँ.
was in Lagan.
Yes.
Yes, he
His
was.
famous bat from Lagan.
Ooh,
Oh.
cricket
sold.
fanatics are insane.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you
crickets,
tell
the
us.
crickets crossover.
Cricket
Yeah,
squad.
yeah. You gotta rep.
This I'd say.
वो कश्मीर विलो बैठ के इंग्लिश विलो वो बता how many
कश्मीर
grains
better होता है ना?
नहीं इंग्लिश
English better
बेटर
होता
पता नहीं यार मेरे
ये
को भी समझ
पेड़
नहीं
की
आता।
डाली से बनाया था कोई रैंडम लगान का पेड़.
I'd say.
और MRF का स्टिकर था या खादी भंडार लिखा था उस पे
I'd say 80 lakhs.
Okay.
You're saying it's cheaper than the lehenga? Like Lagan?
That's a very good point. That lehenga really threw me off.
The
Yeah.
bat
Yeah.
also was signed by
Signed.
the entire cast.
अबे
Oh.
यार फिर वो
Wait,
सब
hold
कौन
on,
बोलेगा?
Hold on.
but still
I
cheaper
know
than
who
the
has
lehenga
this bat.
Who?
what
Yeah,
Who
I've
has
seen
this
it in
bat?
Ashutosh Govarkar's office.
Really?
it's his bat
Yeah.
मतलब he's a
He
director
must
तो
have made multiple copies of
Oh,
the bat.
एक
no?
बेचा होगा ना
Yeah,
of course
bro.
आशुतोष गावरेकर के पास तो
हाँ,
होगा
मेरे को
ही
लगा-
As-
then I
You
thought
just
कि-
wanted to flex, no?
No. I thought then maybe it's a fake article. I don't
But
think
how
it
have
was
you seen
auctioned
it?
off.
You've been to
Because
his
I was in
He's been to his office, no?
Oh.
मतलब मल्टीपल ऐसे बना
See,
के
this is what he wanted.
No,
कि, hey, how have you
no,
seen it?
I just-
So when I was.
Hey,
in
what
Ashutosh
happened to that
Govarkar-
project?
this would be a flex if this was 2002
That's
like
true. That's true.
at this
I also
point
went to meet his son.
He's a fan.
Okay, actually, I'd say 6 crores.
Yeah, something.
क्योंकि
crores.
सबका signature है तो यार that changes
I'd say
everything.
1.2
But उसमें famous तो आमिर खान ही है.
1.2 crores
I'm at 2 crores. Guys,
अबे
again,
गोरे लोगों का signature है बे।
actually
ऐसे
yeah
I would say temper your expectations, all of you.
Okay,
Ah.
80 lakhs. Back to
even
80
I was
lakhs.
thinking
I'd
80
say 25.
25
Lakhs.
lakhs.
I'm back to
80
80.
lakhs. And
yeah
you?
35
35.
Because
Okay,
there are
I'm
multiple versions of it,
I'm
it's
down
not
to
rare.
30.
yeah
I'm down to 30. I'm down to 30.
30, 30
35.
lakhs. 35.
25.
25, 30, 35.
25 wins because the answer is 1,56,000.
oh my god
Telling you, I think he made like 15, 20 bags.
Plus
and
it
just
must have
flipped
sold
them
then,
around.
no?
Yeah.
यार ये गलत गेम है
हाँ, तो
और
ये सही
बताओ
से
तो
नहीं
कब
बनाया
बेचा
तूने।
यार वैसे तो हम कोई भी नंबर ले सकते आज वो बैट की वैल्यू पता है कितनी होगी
Kitni?
2 lakh.
नहीं दो ज्यादा ही यार
नहीं
क्या बात।
यार.
होगी
Because I
अब
think
तो
there's so many available. It wasn't like a rare
But अभी
piece.
it's
How
not
do you
that
know
available,
so many
no?
were available because you saw it
I
in
saw
someone's
it in one
office,
of them.
right? Whose office did you see it in? I forgot whose office.
By the way, we
oh,
all-
Ashutosh Govarkar saab. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
But wait, on that note,
on that
that's been the end of the podcast.
Yes.
Thank you so much for
Deja,
coming.
for
TY,
coming.
TY,
That was
guys.
a lot of fun.
TY,
TY.
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 And thank you to Antriksh for
follow crickheads
follow Crickheads, follow Antriksh, follow Hoshang, follow me,
Yes.
follow Dudeja, and follow the page Panda Panda.
Follow-
And-
Dude,
and-
please,
and
we're
if-
at 172 followers on Instagram.
yeah this is a great concept I feel and you all have very little followers
Yeah,
Yeah,
for
come on,
what
dude.
this is
Come on, what
it's
are you all
very
doing?
it's fun
Come on, follow.
and if your sleeve improves do DM me
No, DM Huberman, okay? You were just the messenger.
I am the medium you know you don't need to go around 2.5 hours and all
Okay, well, thank you for
Thank you so
watching.
much.
Comment
Bye-bye.
down below whatever your product is. Do whatever. Okay, it's your life. Okay, see you.
bye bye